These very special YEEZY knit runner in fade indigo colorway is a unique variant of the running shoe that Adidas has released in collaboration with YEEZY, the brand owned by global superstar Kanye West. The shoe has a knit upper and a stretchy cuff that gives it a snug, sock-like fit. The upper features a gradient pattern of several bright colors. The sole of this shoe has a rubber construction, plus a herringbone pattern to improve traction. These sneakers bring a minimalist and futuristic design, but also overall comfort. They were released in October 2022 for retail $210 and then restocked in June 2024. Co na ně říkáte? Dejte vědět do komentářů. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.